Do you see the excitement on my face? Right. It's because of no other but the amazing Dossier. Like, look at the amount of perfumes I've got. I've got like a whole 6 of them. And then these are the best of the best. The ones I had to select. Because, you know, they're replicas of the expensive perfumes. If you know, you know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead in this video to review them all for you guys to see. Or to, you know, get to know what it's like. And so that if you're looking to get your hands on them, so you know exactly which ones you want to be taking. Okay, these ones, I'm going to find out which ones they replicate so that you can know, and when you're buying them, you know which one you're gonna buy. But they're pretty all nice, like literally all of them. Like, I have not come across a Dossier perfume that I don't like. So far, so amazing, and I cannot get enough. When I tell you I'm replacing my whole perfume collection with this, best believe it. Okay, anyway, without further ado, let's get to it. So the first one that we're gonna go for is the aromatic pineapple. All right, so this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you to see. So aromatic pineapple, it's your YSL's Y. Okay, if you love your YSL, the Y specifically, this is the one. Okay, this is amazing. This is, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my goodness. I mean, if you like pineapple, if you want to smell like pineapple, I can't get enough of this perfume. This is so, like, it's what's the word? It's true to what it says it is. Like, what you're getting is what you paid for and more. It's so rich, so fruity. You can get all that hint of pineapple there, obviously. In the market, you know how much your YSLs are. So if you're getting this, you're getting it for a fraction of the price. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it on. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Look, listen, I'm going to keep this. I'm keeping this one. This is for kids. I love it so much. I think this is going to be my everyday now because I love pineapple. And this is doing something to my brain. So definitely a one to go for. Okay, so here it is again, your aromatic pineapple from Dossier. So definitely one of the best ones. I recommend. Okay, so the next one is going to be your powdery tobacco. Okay, this one is inspired by Tom Ford's tobacco vanilla. If you know Tom Ford perfumes, you know that they are expensive. Start from £250 and upwards. Okay, so if you definitely been wanting, like me, every time I go into one of them, you know, boutique shops, I want to kind of get a perfume, especially Phoenix. If you know Phoenix, you will know that they have like all these perfumes a lot. And so every time I'm looking at Tom Ford, I'm like, ooh, I want to get it. But then again, I'm not ready to commit to spend that amount of money. So this is the one that's going to do it for me. So I'm much excited as well. I think it could be men's perfume or it could be unisex. However, I've got my husband. He can equally, you know, use this. So I'm excited to find out what it's like. Okay, ooh, yeah, that's giving a manly vibe. It's like you can get the vanilla there, okay? You know, the tobacco-ish vanilla vibe going in there. And again, you got that masculinity going on as well. I mean, if you're a woman that likes men's perfume, this will do very well for you. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it as well. I'm just going to use a piece of... So you want to kind of let it settle. This is amazing. Oh yeah, this is definitely a manly perfume. So get this for your man, guys, and you will not regret it. Okay, lovely. All right, the next perfume that we're gonna try out is your Floral Violet. Okay, Floral Violet, and this is inspired by Marc Jacob Daisies. Can I just say, right, I had this perfume upstairs for a while and I didn't really care for it, and then I gave it to my daughter, and then recently she's been using that perfume, and every time she puts it on, I'm thinking, what is she wearing? Because it's just so nice. I'm like, oh, I regret giving it to her now because I want to have it for myself. So then this came and I figured I can have it in Dossier, and I could not even be any happier. And so here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And this is it, your Floral Violet. I'm excited to try it. Oh my God, straight away it hits you. If you know Daisy, there is subtle. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. I just, perfume does something to me. I don't know about you guys, but to me, perfume just wakes my inner happiness up. Like every time I put on a perfume that I like, I feel so elevated. I feel great. Like I feel like I don't know who you're talking to, you know? So yeah. This one definitely, if you love your daisy, this is definitely for you. Amazing product, okay? And then the next one we're gonna go for is your woody coriander. Guys, if you know me, you know that I love coriander. I mean, everything I'm cooking, every time I'm cooking, I have coriander in my food every time. If I'm gonna wear coriander, then why not? Because I love it so much already. So there you go. So I'm excited to try it on and I cannot wait. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness. Wow. Guys, this brand is doing something to me. Guys, my money is about to finish because I'm going to be buying this back to back to back to back. Because if you know me, I don't just wear one perfume when I go out. I wear so many. Like I have cocktails. I don't just put one on and say that's it. I love cocktail perfume so that people come, what are you wearing? Oh, listen, I have to list it out because I don't want people to know my signature. But I'm nice enough now to do this because everyone who asks me what do I wear on everyday basis, you can definitely go ahead now and go on to Dossier and grab whichever one you like. The next one is your Ambery Cedarwood, okay? Ambery Cedarwood is your Theory Mugler Alien. These, look at the beautiful packaging. I just love the packaging as well, so minimalistic. But yeah, let's try this one. Straight away it hits you, like as soon as you open the bottle it hits you like wow. Oh, what is this? Mugler Alien. That's why you know Mugler. If you know Mugler, you know your perfume. Yes. Oh my god, the smell is oh, and I think this is the final one, the last but not the least, okay? It's your spicy orchid. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Your spicy orchid is your Tom Ford Black Orchid inspired. So this is the only one that's looking a bit, you know, nice and ambery. It's giving full vibe. This is giving full vibes, and I'm here for it, you know. But anyway, let's go ahead and try it. This is your Tom Ford Black Orchid. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Let's see where we got going. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. Oh yes. Oh my god, this is nice. What this perfumes, man? I don't know. Guys, I can't, if I'm to choose one from all of these perfumes right now, right? If I'm to choose one from all of them put together, honestly, genuinely, I cannot. I love them all. I am literally like obsessed with all of them all because I just don't know which one I'm gonna go and say this is my favorite because like I love all of them. I'm not capping, I'm not like exaggerating. I'm literally telling you the truth because they all smell amazing. So yeah, I can't make up my mind on this one, the one I would love to like keep. I'm keeping all of them, and I was thinking of giving my husband that one, but I think I'm going to change my mind because, no, I love it. Because if you know me, I also love to wear men's perfume as well sometimes. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it really. And like I said, if you really like me and you love your perfumes and you no longer want to be spending unnecessary money buying it from, you know, expensive places, get onto Dossier. Definitely try it here. Try dossier.co.uk, okay? Definitely get onto it. Grab yourselves collections so that you can have variety instead of using one, you know, like a lot of money to buy one perfume. Now you can actually buy quite a bit of the same type of perfume for quite, you know, less, a whole lot less than you would normally. So go ahead and grab it now and you will be glad that you did, because these perfumes, I can't get enough of them, and I'm sure if you get your hands on them you will not get enough of them because they are just to die for, honestly. The packaging, the look, the smell, everything from head to toe is like 100. So yeah, I highly recommend this brand. Amazing product, an amazing brand, and the customer service is impeccable as well. So yeah, go ahead and definitely give them a try today and you will really be glad you did. All right, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what's your favorite, and let me know also on the comment section if you have actually tried Dossier before, and if you haven't, this is your best time to start now, and you will not regret it. Christmas is coming very soon, so these are going to be perfect gift for Christmas. I'm telling you, when you give these gifts as Christmas presents, people are going to be so happy. So go ahead and get started now, collecting them now, and you'll be happy you did. Okay, anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye now. Bye.